Yes, you don't know, the mix, mega mix, straight from Canada. Bigging up Blake Kitchen, the hottest kitchen in the States. You don't know food so spicy and food so sweet, make you lick all the finger till you all eat off your nails them. You don't know, say, Blake Kitchen are doing it. You don't know if you find him already, you don't know, say, him come with the same speed. You don't know, when you come on to the meat and the fish, you don't know everything. I am of the original dish, Jamaican dish. You don't know ackee and saltfish. I'm not mention the roast beef and roast yam. You don't know. When you come on to the oxtail and goat meat and you call it jerk chicken and pork and fish and lobster. You don't know, say, a Blake Kitchen you have to meet. You know, see, link up Blake, the kitchen.
Yeah.
Hi, this is Claudia from Barbados. Hello, Chef Blake. I'm always watching you on your program, the way you prepare your food and you prepare your meal. And then it's done properly and I enjoy how you do it and I always follow. So just follow Chef Blake on BlakeWrTv and you'll get the best cooking food. Okay?
Yeah, this is Quincy from Maryland, representing BlakeWrTv. Just go over there, subscribe to my channel, and you have some great food over there, some great juice. All the people who want last to wait, just check him out.
Don't know fire from I represent Chef Blake, you know. You don't know a program there, check it out now. You see me aside, new thing around the road right now. BlakeWrTv, Chef from St. Anne's. Shout out to BlakeWrTv, Chef Blake, kitchen, kaboom!
Stammer.com coming to you live from Toronto, the 6th, representing for Chef Blake on BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Stay tuned. Peace. Stammer.com.
Hi, this is Fernanda of Maryland, and I just wanted to send a shout out to BlakeWrTv Kitchen. Just wanted to tell Chef Blake that he's doing such a remarkable job and to keep up the great work that he's doing and keep on sending those beautiful, scrumptious, delicious recipes. Thank you.
If you pre one on my brother, then you have to pre me. Yeah. Money, the fame don't mean nothing to me. Yeah. If you pre one on my brother, then you have to pre me. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to give my car a quick little wash off because I got some bird that poop up my car. I don't want to leave it on the car because they have acid in their poop. So if you got bird poop on your car, please wash it off as soon as possible because it will damage your paint. That beautiful clear coat that you have on your car, you will lose it. So definitely wash the car off if you have bird poop on it. I don't know what these birds be eating, but yeah. Their poop is acidic. You know what time it is, your boy Blake in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican. Yes, peeps, Chef Blake. I'm here with Quincy in the kitchen and he's here making some parrot fish. Parrot fish is a Caribbean fish, tropical aquatic fish. So I've been looking for these fish for a while. I can't find them in this area. So, I mean, it was kind of ironic that I run into him cooking and frying some delicious parrot fish. Trust me, I've been here for a long time and I've never seen them. So, it's a good look.
Lord, and smell good. And smell good, real Caribbean fish. So, hold on there. Where them getting a fish all the way in Maryland, my girl? But them a fish, I never see them a fish yet in these parts. Real Caribbean fish. Really, I put them down. You fry them with the escovitch and whatever style you are going with. Fry them down. You have some of this one? Big one there? Yeah, one over here. Run him on inside, let me see. This is a parrot fish. And I'm fish are good occurring on my yacht. Yeah, real upper food this one. Look one and smell good with your class. So you have to try it. Yes, rice and beans.
Yeah man, real Caribbean cooking. Rice and beef looking good. Yeah man, the fish them smelling good, yo. I'm not lie, the fish them smelling good. They say you have a non-stick pot. And yeah, put your skin down after I fish. They say, Ma was cooking some cabbage. They say, cooking and going to work at the same time. Come out the cabbage pot. Yes, guys, this is what the fish can look like. Come on, fried fish. Nice to fry down. Alright, guys, Quincy just took out the other fish out the pot. So this is the three parrot fish. I'll finish frying everything. You understand? Looking good, looking delicious. Let's take a look at the stove, see what's going on. So Quincy, what is this? Look good. Smells good too. Yeah man, that sauce here look good, yo. Color nation, look at the color and everything. And that's the pimento and thing. Looking good, looking good. And the rice coming along good too. Want to cook down a little bit more. That's good eat, man.
Popcorn, you know, we got some steamed down fish, you know, parrot fish also. Got some broccoli over there. You know, look at my rice and peas. Up.
Yeah man, Quincy cook up some food today, yo.
Mad.
Yes, peeps. Quincy giving us some nice fish. Yeah, parrot fish. I haven't had parrot in many years. Yo, last time I had a parrot, I must have been over 10 years ago. Parrot fish, very scarce in this area. I was happy to see Quincy cooking some parrot fish today, guys. So you know, so them up and looking good. So gonna be some good eatings.
7.
The rice pot over here, so you know, say looking good as well. Yes, peeps, this is what the plate look like, guys. Yeah, man. Real nice food, vegetable and thing, healthy cooking, healthy meal. Yeah, Quincy hooked this up today. Yeah man, I might plate this up. I'm gonna eat some food right now. Bless up your ears, sir. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, dinner is served, guys. Looking good. Broccoli and all. Peace. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, guys. Until the next video, keep tuned to the thing. Bless up on yourself. Yes, guys, thank you for hanging out with us. You know, say boy, Quincy already finished the food and everything looked delicious, yummy. You understand? It's just a nice, delicious dish, healthy seafood type of thing Quincy hook up for us. So, yeah, time for me to go and get me some food, guys. You know, say I'm hungry. So, let's see what's going on here. Try to say I can hold up the camera so you guys can see what's going on. So, here we go. First taste. Come on, food tastes good, rice tastes good. Seasoned nice and everything. And man, it's seasoned good. Alright guys, moment of truth. This is the fish right here. See if you guys can see it. Yeah man, this is the fish right here, guys. See it? This is the fish, nice white flesh fish right here. So real parrot fish. Wow. Just bursting with flavors. My mouth is full of flavor right now. Tastes so good. Nice, healthy, juicy black broccoli. Tastes good. Some good food right here, man. Which guys, food is good. Real healthy eating. All courtesy of Quincy, top chef. Lemon juice, aka lemonade. Tastes real good. Peace.